So guys, watch how I appeared in three places doing different things. Understand? So I believe you would want to learn how to do this, but you don't have to worry, I'm here. Understand? So I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So let's go there. To mount your camera on a tripod using landscape, record yourself sitting at one end of the screen. Either you can be doing anything you wish to do. Now you can be looking at this other side of the screen, then when you are done with that one, you walk out. Now record yourself the second one, still on that same recording. Now you sit close to where you sat before. Please make sure you give a little space when you are sitting. Then when you are done with that one, you walk away. Now that's the third person. Now the third character. Now you record yourself also sitting, then you can be doing anything. So when you are done with all these ones, you now save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now click the plus icon, new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. So I want the video to start while I'm sitting down, you understand? So what I will do here is I'm going to move the video to where I'm sitting down. Like I'm going to click on split, then delete the beginning of the video, because I want it to start from where I'm sitting down, like from here. I want it to start from here. So I'm going to tap on split now and then delete the beginning of the video. I don't know if you understand me. Please let me know if you understand me in the comment section. So when you are done deleting the beginning of the video, the unwanted part, the next thing for you to do here is for you to keep scrolling. Keep scrolling till when you get to where the character wants to get up, then you tap on split. Now look for overlay, click on overlay, something like this. You get my point? Now drag it to the beginning of the video. So what you do next here is you are going to adjust it to when the second character comes in. Now this is the second character. I don't know if you understand me. This is the second character. To when the second character comes in and sits down. Understand? Now you shift the video to the beginning of the video again. I don't know if you understand me. So when you have something like this, so the next thing for you to do is tap on the second layer. Now go to mask. Where is mask? Where is this mask? Mask. See mask. Tap on mask. Tap on the horizontal. So when you tap on horizontal, so you have to adjust this line. Understand? So adjust this line so it will reveal both characters. Drag it to the middle of both characters. Just adjust it. You just play around with this one. Understand? So you will see that the shadow of this middle, the second character here, is not complete. Understand? So what you do here is to play around with this other icon here. The shadow is not okay. Here you see. So the next thing for you to do is to click on that mask so that you can play around with this icon. You adjust it so it will blend, so one can see the shadow very well. So that is just it, guys. So if you are able to get it correctly, you are going to have something like this. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across my videos, please subscribe to this channel, like and share. If you have any issue, let me know in the comment section. I'm ready to assist you 100%. You get my point? I believe you get my point. So if you get it correctly, this is how it's going to be. So from this point here, you're going to tap on the second layer as it is on the second layer already. So go to split, just go to split, then you delete it. Understand? Delete the ending part of it. Alright guys, now you've gotten this one. So what you do next is to save the video to your gallery. Understand? Now the video is saved. Click done, click new project, import that same video, the last one you just recorded. Just bring it back to Capcut. So when you bring it back to Capcut, what you do next is for you to click on overlay, click add overlay. Bring the first video you recorded, the first one you recorded, to bring it here. So at this point you have to split and delete to when you get to where the third character is coming in. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You have to split and delete the video till when you get to where the third character. So you know we have the first character, we have the second character. Now we are looking for the third character. So you split and delete it when you get to where the third character is coming in. You understand? So when you get it, now you drag it to the beginning of the video. Now it's on the second layer. Place your two fingers on the screen, then drag it to fit to screen, like something like this. Understand? When you are done with that one, go to mask. So let's go to mask. Where is mask? Just the same way you did the first one. Understand? Just go to mask, tap on horizontal. You see horizontal here, so click on horizontal. So now you are going to adjust it where it's going to reveal the first two characters. Understand? Something like this, the way it is. So you know we have enough space here, so you just can bring it, you can just leave it or adjust it. Then you have to use this option here, this icon here. So the color of the wall, the background color and the shadow, everything will blend. So you just play around with this other icon. So that is just it, guys. So when you are here, you have two more things to do. Number one is to go to the ending part of it, then tap on the second layer, go to split. Understand? Go to split, then delete it because we don't need that ending part of it. Understand? Now that's the first thing out of the two I mentioned. So the second one you have to do is you subscribing to my channel, sharing my videos. You understand? Share my videos now, like and comment. Am I too slow? Am I too fast? Let me know in the comment section. You've not shared the video, share the video now. Like. See you in our next video.